Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today is round 2 of the Jeffree Star mystery box. I picked up the Valentine's Day edition. This is the deluxe version. I paid $40 for this. It's supposed to have 6 items in here. So we're gonna open this up together on camera. I'm gonna show you what I got. If you're interested to see what came in my Valentine's Day mystery box, please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so like I mentioned in my intro, I did get the deluxe version and it cost $40. He also had a premium version and that cost $75. So let's open this up. I haven't even broken the seal yet. I'm hopeful that this one I will like better than the first mystery boxes he did. I know a lot of you guys thought that I was complaining or whatever, but it just was like a major letdown to me. So let's see what this is like. All right, so here is the inside of the box, all wrapped in the pink tissue paper. I'm kind of hoping that this has like a Valentine's Day theme. I'm just envisioning reds and pinks, so that's what I'm expecting to find in here, I'm hoping. Okay, so we got another pop socket. This came in his original mystery boxes, so that's that. First thing I got is the VELOUR liquid lipstick in the shade CLOUT. Ooh. Ooh, it's like a really pretty like dusty purple color. I like that. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway very shortly for hitting 500 subscribers, so stay tuned for that, but that might end up going in the giveaway. Next, I got another VELOUR liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade POSH Spice. Ooh, I love that. Love POSH Spice. That's a beautiful color. I really like that. So next, I got another VELOUR liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Scandal. I'm gonna open this up. Another pretty purpley color. Love that. And I also got a lip ammunition. This is in the shade EX-SUPERMODEL. Let's see what this looks like. Typical standard like lipstick bullet shape. Ooh, I love this color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love that color. Wow, okay. I'm much happier with this box than I was with the first box I got. Okay, the last thing that came in my box is a Skin Frost in the shade King Tut. So let's see what this looks like. I think this might be a little dark for my skin tone. Yeah, it's like a dark, like bronzy gold. Still really pretty, and his Skin Frosts are amazing. So I like that. All right, I'm gonna add the total of all of the items that I got and put it right here on the screen. I am so much happier with this box than I was with the first box. I've been watching a couple of unboxing videos, only the premium ones though, because I didn't want to know what came in my size box. I just wanted to know what the people got and what the like exclusive clothing item was. But I've definitely noticed that people are getting things, you know, different things. Unlike the last time where it seemed like every single person got the same exact thing across the board. But I'm very happy with all the items that I got. It seems like he was listening. He must have watched my video and matched me with the perfect shades that I actually like. So this gives me hope. The next time he does a mystery box, I'll probably order it again. I'm very happy. I feel like it was well worth what I paid for, and I'm glad for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please, before you leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.